Okay, so here's my unboxing from Scooter Alley. I snapped my district fires and I ordered a couple other things too. So yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, these niggas wanna be asleep. It's 9 in the morning. I ain't been asleep yet. I thought sleep was for billionaires. I think I'm the last of the street niggas left. I like that. Gangsta grip.
Proto Retro Keywears blue.
Gangsta greasy. When they stuntin', I'm like Money Mitch. Brought my city with me and we coming in the fleet. And now I'm getting richer, they don't want me in the streets. I'm thinking, fuck a album sale, we sold 100 bricks this week. 1,000 grams of crack. Take.
They're 20 high, no 20 wide, 24 high. And they have some river wheels, tilt bearings in them. You got them put them. And pretty sick. No. Tilt bearings, and river wheels. And blue what? They're pretty sexy. And then I get some tilt drip tape. Just kind of fucked. But yeah. What else? Is that it? That's it, I think.
That's there.
Oh, that's there. Alright. And then we're gonna have another package coming from Scooter Alley again. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, so hello guys, we got an unboxing here again from Scooter Alley. So yeah, let's open it up.
To the table, bag it all up, take it to the label, and tell them to distribute it. I'm getting cake ridiculous, right like a frog jumping through the traffic.
We got some Hella Grip, fucking mango, but some Hella Grip. Oh yeah, softies. What's this? I don't know what this is. Whatever, fuck that. Ooh, stickers. We got. Wow, Gary hooked us up. He gave some district stickers, Brandon James stickers. Some. I don't even know what that is, but that's pretty sick.
It's
Proto shirt. That's sick. Two tilt stickers. Last but not least, Aztec deck. Oh fuck yeah. So sick. I think that's it. Oh, yeah, some business cards. That's sick. Some Scooter Alley cards. Put that up there. Yeah, business cards. Yeah, for sure. Hand them out. That's it. So yeah, we got the stickers. I don't know what this is.
I think it's a banner.
Are you sure? I'll open it. I'm gonna.
Might be a Scooter Alley banner.
I got like no nails.
If it's riveting, they telling me to turn down. They say that I need Ritalin. Ballin' like I'm Jordan, assist from Scottie Pippen. In and out the flows, crossing over like I'm dribbling. Running laps, random rappers tired like Michelin. Started out with tipping them, but that wasn't it for him. Yellow gold, Cuban diamonds, blue like Michigan. Been told you niggas that it's levels and it's differences to this lifestyle, the way a real nigga living it. I'm getting it. Nigga, put yourself in my predicament. If you was getting all this fucking money, you won't spend it shit. I be at the dealership, putting on picking shit, just to shake the town up. Talking off the Richter shit. Take them to the Clearport, no Instagram. Picture it. Niggas taking pictures for the Instagram. You in the shit. On the jet, 50 for the flight to go to live and shit. Spend another 30 on the shit, but never sip the shit. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4. I can hear $1 million knocking at my door. Riding in the passenger like Tupac Shakur. Only thing that's different is this new Glock that raw. Get a rush from the paper, rush from the money. And money talk is like you said, hush to your money.